Hello everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Do you want to complete the cPanel email setup in Outlook 365? Well, having your cPanel email synced with Outlook means you get all the powerful features of Outlook, like better organization, scheduling, integration with the Microsoft apps, while keeping your professional domain email address. But here's the thing, the setup process requires you to get the right server details from cPanel and configure them properly in Outlook, which can be a bit tricky. I'm here to guide you through every single step so you can get it done without any hassle. And as always, our support team is available at the numbers on the screen. If you need help, let's get started now. First of all, you need to open your cPanel email on your device. After that, access the emails in Roundcube to write down your account details. Once you have noted all required information, open the Outlook app. Now, type the correct Outlook email address in the Open section. Once you've entered the email, then click the Continue button. Next, the Password section will appear on the screen. Enter your password, then click Continue. Once you see the screen, click on the Continue button once again to move forward. When you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on Settings icon. Now, click on the Manage option next to the account address. Open the page and you can see IMAP and SMTP configuration. Ensure they are correct. If not, then click on the Repair option and make changes. After that, the email account will be ready to use.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.